like. This is what your life like. Try to live your life right. People really know you push your buttons like type right. This is like a movie, but it's really very lifelike. Every single night, right?
Hey, yo, what is up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So in this video I will be teaching you how to set up the Atom text editor. If you already don't know what is Atom, it is a simple text editor. It is powered by GitHub. It is pretty much made by GitHub, and I will be teaching you to install it, and I will also teach you how to run scripts in it. So let's get started. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe, give it a like. That's the power of motivation for me. So let's get in the video. First, open your browser, and then you just click that out, get in atom.io. Like you could see, I've entered atom.io, and we are pretty much in Atom's website. So the latest version by now is 1.52, and you could just click download. And it is pretty much simple setup. I'll just cancel the download, and we'll just get in here. I've already installed Atom. You could already see here Atom. Then I will just open it, and yeah, I will create a project in it. I'll create a new project. So you will get this. Just close this. I've already created a project over here, and yeah, now I will just write something like a simple command. This is a simple Python file that I have created, so I'll just write print, and then done. And yeah, so I have just typed hello world in this. I'll save it. And now you might be thinking that how can we run it? It's not like VS Code or Sublime Text that you just go up or somewhere like that. It's not like that. So it's a little complicated, but you will get it when you just watch this video. And then you just have to go in file and then open settings, or you could just use the shortcut control comma. If you are on a Mac, you will be using command comma. And when you are in settings, you'll just click install, search package. You will just search script, and then you will find the first one. You can even see the downloads in this. Make sure that it is by RGBKRK, like, yeah, and just click install. Okay, I just almost forgot to say that by the time you are installing script, make sure that you like this video and subscribe my channel. It'll be great. I'm telling you, it'll be great for you. So yeah, when you have installed script, like, it may take some time. It depends on your internet connection. It took me a bit of time, but yeah, it'll get installed. And like, after you have installed script, just go and click settings, and then go down until and unless you find this, command and shortcut references. And then you can just see all the shortcuts to run your script. So for Mac OS it is Command I, and for Windows and Linux it is Shift Control B. So I'm on Windows. I'll just close settings, and but before doing anything, first thing you have to do is just go here and then click run script, because you're running the script for the first time. And yes, you can just see we have hello world coming right there. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. I mean, you could try to run the script again, Control Shift B. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.